Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about e-commerce business and how you can start your e-commerce business and you can earn money from e-commerce. So e-commerce business means where you will sell your product online, like from online platform, from your website, Facebook marketplace and all. So that is called e-commerce business, where you sell a physical product to customer through online. Customer will get the product home delivery, so that is called e-commerce business. There are lots of way to start e-commerce business, and it's a very good business. You can start this business from your home also. If you don't have any shop or business place, then also you can start from your home. So first of all, you need to choose a product, you need to choose a niche. You can't sell everything on online, like you are selling t-shirt, you are selling pen, paper, so both, or you are selling plants, everything you can't sell together. Like YouTube channel, there is a niche. So here is also you need to follow a niche. You can sell niche products. So first of all, you need to choose a niche, that what kind of product you can sell. So you need to market yourself, research yourself, the which product you can sell and you can make profit from that particular product. You can choose t-shirt, shirt, jeans, that a clothing niche. You can sell pen, paper and stationery item, that is a niche. You can sell plants, you can sell fashion items, you can sell cosmetic products. So it's up to you which niche you choose as per your market and where you can make profit. You can choose yourself. You need to research yourself. Second, so if you want to start your e-commerce business, you need a GST registration number. Without GST, you can't create a seller account on Amazon, Flipkart or Misho. So first of all, you need a GST registration number. So you need to register GST. Then you can create your seller account on e-commerce platform like Flipkart, Amazon, Misho, and you can sell your product on your website also, and obviously on Instagram, Facebook marketplace. But when you will start your business, no one will know your business. So at that time, you will not get traffic on your website. So that e-commerce platform is good for initial business, because traffic will come automatically on online platform. So after register GST, then you can create your seller account. Then you need to photoshoot your product. So you do photoshoot your product, good quality photo. Then you can upload your photograph on e-commerce platform, that is called catalog. So after uploading your catalog, order will come automatically within maybe first 1 2 days or 3 days or 1 week. Order will not come, but then after a week or within a month, you will start order. After order, you need to pick that product and you need to dispatch. So that how e-commerce business is going on. So generally on e-commerce platform like Misho, Flipkart, Amazon, generally they release your amount within a week or after week. Okay, so when your product will deliver and return period will over, then company will release the amount. Days can be increased or so it depends on the platform. So I'm not exactly telling you that it's 1 week or within 1 week. So it can be variable, it depends on the platform. So that is how you can start a e-commerce e-commerce business, and it's very good business. You can start from your home. You don't need lakhs of investment to start initially. You can start it from 10,000 rupee also estimate, but you need to be consistent. You need to choose your product, so you have a good product and valuable product. Then you can sell that product, order will come frequently. Then you can slightly grow your e-commerce business. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe my YouTube channel for this kind of information. Thank you.